The first point is to read the original paragraph just like you would read any other book or article. Do not think about making Prezi yet. Do not try to take notes. Simply read naturally and smoothly. This way, your subconscious mind will grasp the main idea without distraction. Your only goal at this stage is to understand what the passage is really about. Step number 2 is to read the passage second time, but this time you need to divide the passage into segments based on changes in themes. For example, first few lines of the passage may define or explain the concept. The next few lines may talk about advantages. The next few lines may discuss disadvantages, and the final lines may discuss a way forward or suggestions. Your job is to divide the original passage into these theme-based sections and provide a heading to each section. If the author repeats a theme in different places, merge those parts under same heading. In this step, you are basically dividing your entire passage and organizing it into its logical segments so that it would become easier for you to find out the key points from each segment. Step number 3 is to reread your passage the third time and this time apply deletion rule. Remove all the redundant points, repeated ideas, unnecessary examples, and extra details from each of the segments. And underline only the key points that align with the heading of each section. This keeps your selection of key points focused and prevents you from adding any extra information. Step number 4 is to collect all the underlined key points from every segment and write them down as bullet points along with your headings in rough work. At this stage, you have all the essential ideas clearly separated and organized. Step number 5 is to paraphrase all the bullet points and write them down in your own language and style in a single and smooth paragraph. At this stage, you have to keep the original passage aside and do not look at it so that you can ensure that you are not copying author's expression and style. The last step is to revise the Prezi to check grammar, punctuation, and the word count. If your Prezi is longer than the required word count, you may remove less essential information or repeated ideas, while making sure that your core ideas must stick. Now that you are satisfied, you can write neat, error-free, and fair draft in your answer sheet. But remember to cancel out all the rough work at the end.